how to connect Nova to BullX Neo. First, you're going to go to Nova website. After opening Nova's website, you should be redirected or be prompted to create or open it in Telegram, which is, as you can see here, I already have access to it. So this is what you're going to see when you first open it. So it's going to ask you, so simply press or type dash or slash start, and there will be some with this. But if you want to be able to access right away, simply enter a code, and I was able to utilize our Nova over here right away. Now, after this, you're going to go and click or download Nova extension into your Chrome web store, add it to your browser, and you should be able to see it here in your Nova extension. Now, keep in mind the Nova extension will not work if your Telegram is not yet enabled, or like you're not yet able to utilize it, but I'm able to utilize it here. So if you now go to BullX over here and click on our Nova extension, you should be able to use the Nova extension together with your collector. So as you can see, it will automatically appear when you open specific page and collect, and then you can easily utilize its features. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.